initial announcement. We are now again officially starting our AGM, 26th AGM of AFG. The roll call is being taken. Please sign, all of you all. Yeah. Rabia, recording. Okay. So to offer the condolences to our deceased life members, fortunately this year we don't have any condolences from our AFG family. To confirm the minutes of 25th AGM held on 30th March 2025 at The Club Andheri West. So confirm the minutes of 25th AGM and any business arising out of the minutes. Is it confirmed? The minutes proposed by Dr. Raju Sahitya and seconded by Dr. Navneet. Okay. Then Secretary's report I'll present. So, yes. So, this is about the Secretary's report for the year 25-26. The new team of the 25-26 of AFG were installed on the 30th March 2025 at the same venue, the Club Andheri West, with President Dr. Nitin Shah, Secretary Dr. Bela Bhatt, Treasurer Dr. Jayanti Kamath. And we had all this, the entire team of AFG that was installed last year. These are just the memories of last year annual general AGM of AFG, and this is entire team of AFG, as you can see, and I'm going to name them all. The President Dr. Nitin Shah, President-elect Dr. Anurag Bhate, Vice President Dr. Niranjan Chavan, Secretary Dr. Bela Bhatt, Treasurer Dr. Jayanti Kamath, Joint Secretary Dr. Komal Chavan, Joint Treasurer Dr. Navneet Desai, Scientific Secretary Dr. Vipin Chakar, Premises Secretary Dr. Ujjwala Netam. And these are the committee members: Dr. Ankesh Sahitya, Dr. Ashlesha Sankhe, Dr. Ashok Shukla, Dr. Mukesh Agrawal, Dr. Namrata Sheregar, Dr. Nimesh Tutwala, Dr. Sargam Soni, Dr. Siddesh Iyer, Dr. Riddhi Desai, Dr. Saurabh Surekan, Dr. Shilpa Bhatia, and later on Dr. Vidya Bandukwala was co-opted. And our patrons for the year were Dr. S.N. Agarwal sir and Dr. R.M. Saraugi sir. Advisory board, Dr. Rajendra Nagarkatti, Dr. Saurabh Dani, Dr. Urmila Sureka, Dr. Nilima Masurkar, Dr. Manohar Motwani, Dr. Rakesh Pandya, Dr. Raju Sahitya. And in trust board, we have Dr. Bipin Pandit, Dr. Arun Nayak, Dr. Unnati Shah, Dr. Seema Gadiwan, Dr. Mukesh Gupta, Dr. Kartikeya Bhagat, and Dr. Mohan Gadam. So, and later on, this year, this was the initiative which was taken by the President Dr. Nitin Shah, and there was few of the youth council members who were included in as a part of AMG team, and that includes Dr. Ashwini Kalyankar, Dr. Chirag Wagh, Dr. Jagruti Ghosh, Dr. Pranita, Dr. Gautam Sonavne, Dr. Monica, and Dr. Saumil Trivedi. So a big hand for the entire team of AFG that was installed.
58.
Okay. Okay, so as I said, I had to take a lot of efforts for making the secretary report, because we have done lots of physical activities, lots of webinars this year. The first scientific activity started with the first web CME on World Health Day, that was 7th April, just a week after installation of the new team. And a total 200 attendees were there, and important aspects were discussed related to the ultrasound, the endometrial polyps, fetal origin of adult disease, etc. And so many important aspects were included in that particular web CME. The second one was the physical CME. That was the first CME of the year, FEPA AFG on 19-20th April at Ginger Hotel. And here The best part was it was very well attended also, very much appreciated. And lot of our AFG senior members, Dr. Saraugi, Dr. Mohan Gadam, and Dr. Rajkumar Shah, and Dr. Vidya Bandukwala, of course, they were part of it. And there were many foreign faculties as well in the same that we had for the same, and it was 2 days conclave, which was again taken very well. Just a minute, I'll have to take one paper. Give me a minute. આ પકડો ને મારું પેપર જે આખું છે મેં એ જ નથી આવ્યું જેમાં મેં બધું લખ્યું છે ને અબાઉટ ધીસ મારી બ્લેક બેગ આપશો આ નીચે પડી છે ને બ્લેક બેગ આપો ઓ દોડાદોડી કરાવે ને which is very, very important. Yeah. Mic, please. Okay, the second one was the OGSMB, that is with Meera Bhayandar and AFG. We had outreach program, key issues in OBGYN on 3rd of May at GCC Club, Meera Road, with 55 delegates. And again, as we can see, Dr. Nagarkatti, Dr. Rajkumar Shah, Dr. Navneet, and so many members of Meera Bhayandar were present there. And Dr. Nitin Shah also delivered a talk in the same. Then we had a hybrid CME, that was protect and promote cyber security and digital marketing solution. We know these days a lot of cyber crimes are occurring, and therefore very thoughtfully Dr. Nitin Shah had included this topic at, this was conducted at Vaishnavi Hall, Kandivali West. And it had very good attendance of 133, and people also asked for recording, and that 30 people asked for the recording, and they got it. And this is how it included talks. There was a very good workshop on cybercrime by Dr. Shekhar Pawar. There were talks on digital marketing by Deva Gandhi, cyber security for doctors by Dr. Vipin Checker, and panel on various actual cases of cybercrime that was discussed in the same CME. And we also have, interestingly, as you can see here, we have another pictures also. Yes. So as you can see here, Mr. Pandit Pardi, who is Assistant Police Inspector, was also present in the same CNE with lots of insight into how to deal with this cybercrime, and he was very, very cooperative for the same. Then on 25th May, we had the Gynec Update Yuva webinar. As I said, this time we had the Youth Council and the Yuva members did a fantastic job throwing light on the important issues in OBGYN on the webinar platform. And then this was one very interesting CME on 1st June, Saricon, and that was conducted at SK Resort, Borivali, with presence of 70 members. And there, our aim was mainly to deal with the cancer detection. So here HPV, yes, we had, sorry. As you can see, so many of the members, we had a walk also for a cause that was related to HPV and vaccination. And then we had talks and also a skit on it. So Dr. Mukesh Gupta, Dr. Priya Ganesh, Dr. Sargam gave talks on HPV and vaccination, followed by a very interesting skit by Dr. Navneet Desai, Dr. Ashwini Kalyankar, Dr. Jagruti Ghosh, and Dr. Siddesh. And we also had a walk for the cause, and that is to prevent cervical cancer, which got a very, very good appreciation from all. Then on 5th of June, we had this Go Green initiative by the AFG and FOGSI, where we had also the chairperson from the FOGSI, the chairperson Environment Committee, Dr. Brajbala had come from Indore, and we had the Vice President FOGSI, Dr. Komal Chavan also, and we again did some tree plantation in the Green Village, their Green Village in Malad, and this was how it was conducted. And we were very fortunate because we had as a chief guest the Honorable Cabinet Minister Shri Ashish Shelar, who was present to appreciate our activity. And this was followed by sexual health webinar on 7th June, and wherein there were panel and a panel discussion and talks related to sexual health. Then there was on 8th June, again a very, very important physical CME, which was hysteroscopy and IUI, which was a live workshop which was relayed from BDBA hospital, and this CME was conducted at Radisson Grand Blossom, and it had a good presence. As you can see, 147 people are very much interested in the live workshops, and at AFG we are very keen at doing the live workshops, whether it is hysteroscopy, laparoscopy or surgeries. So this particular also, we had again Dr. Krishna Kumar was present, we had Dr. Sanket Pisa, Dr. Anurag, Dr. Nitin, Dr. Samir Pradhan, Dr. Sachin Dalal, and as you can see in the images, and okay. This was followed by very interesting Yoga Day celebration at Hotel Sea Princess. Yeah, I have to read also. This is actually, the thing is, there's no platform. So if I speak from there, I'll be only heard and not seen. So I have to hold this in hand. So next time I suggest there should be a platform for people like us. On 21st June, we had a wonderful celebration of Yoga Day at Hotel Sea Princess with a celebrated yoga trainer Rupal Sethpura, who guided us through yoga sessions, as you can see in the picture here. Then there was a webinar on fibroids with total attendance of 112, and in that again various aspects, right from imaging to the laparoscopic approach to the various surgeries of fibroid, morcellation, everything was included as a part of this fibroid webinar. Then on 29th June, we had this walkathon at Borivali National Park to promote health, wellness and camaraderie among participants. And this was followed by very important CPCR training, which was conducted on the 29th June. And after that, we had a mixed bag Yuva webinar once again by the Yuva Youth Council, and various interesting, important topics were discussed in that with attendance of 70. Then we had this outreach program of AFG at Igatpuri, and that was on the fertility equation. And this in this we had Dr. Jatin Shah, Dr. Richa Jagtap, Dr. Aditi Trivedi, who spoke on various aspects of infertility and IVF. Again, it was very well appreciated. We also had some members from the nearby Nashik society who came to be a participant in the same. And then on 9th of July, we had this fetal medicine webinar. Now, again, a very good attendance of 325, wherein we had talks. I have specifically put it here because, as you can see, the part of it, there was one talk which was given by Dr. Manikandan on short service, which was very much appreciated. I feel very bad in saying that he was a very good fetal medicine consultant, because we just lost him a week back, and it's a great loss to me personally as a friend. And he was part of our webinar, and he contributed very well apart from the other two talks in this particular webinar. Then REN Symposium, as we all know, REN Symposium is AFG's pride because it was started with to help the students who are postgraduates with different subjects, and we, as we all know, Dr. Rajendra Saraugi, Dr. Mohan Gadam, Dr. Rajkumar Shah, Dr. Manohar Motwani, and Dr. Karthikey Bhagat have taken lots of efforts to continue this activity for so many years. So I think pick a big hand to all of them for putting up the show for so many years to help postgraduates to update their knowledge and help them from exam point of view. So this was a REN Symposium on fetal growth restriction on 13th of July that we had. Then we had FOGSI Sampurna CME on 23rd July at Radisson Grand Blossom, and here this is, there was Dr. Navneet Desai, and we also had Dr. Vaishali Chavan and myself. We delivered talks in this FOGSI Sampurna CME on 23rd July. And then we had again a CME on a very important topic, MLCon, with as we know that medical legal aspect is something which is touching everyone, and therefore this was a very well appreciated CME with Dr. Hitesh Bhatt, Dr. Ashok Shukla, Dr. Vipin Checker, who delivered talk, followed by a reverse panel on medical legal issues by Dr. Hitesh Bhatt. And as you can see in the pictures, it was very well attended and appreciated. All the talks, panels were very well appreciated. And then the 17th of August, AFG Foundation Day, and this year we had decided for the charitable activity to donate from AFG funds, and therefore our team went to myself, Dr. Nitin Shah, and a few members of AFG. We went to Prem Sadan Orphanage. Dr. Urmila Sureka was also there, and it was AFG charitable activity where we donated 25,000 rupees to this orphanage. Particularly pictures were not taken because it was an orphanage. On 24th August, we had nurses training program. Again, we must give a 24th August, we had nurses training program. We must just give big hand to Dr. Asen Agarwal sir, because for years he has been doing very good nurses training program activities. Then on 7th of September, we had AFG outreach program, where AFG Distinguished Services Awards were again given for the first time, which was a brainchild of Dr. Nitin Shah. We gave it to various senior members of AFG who have done very good services to our society through their practices. And then on 21st September, we had CME on MTP at Radisson, and again very well attended. Dr. Nikhil Datar and various speakers, they delivered their talks, and a lot of interaction was there as a part of that CME. On 17th, live surgical workshop. Again, this is a USP of AFG. So a big hand to USG for live surgical workshop. This was 17th live surgical workshop of AFG at BDBA, and it was attended by 185 members, and recording was asked for by 92. Again, this is something where now with a lot of restriction, many societies have stopped doing live workshop, but thanks to Dr. Saraugi sir and all our senior AFG members, we continue doing this live workshop, and it was again a very, very successful program this year. On 7th of December, we had this CME by Bayer, where we had one international speaker. And then we had updates in OBGYN 13th December, ISOPAB AFG CME at SK Resort Borivali, and again very well attended. Then we had Gynec Conclave and with Christmas celebration on 24th December at GCC Mira Road. And you can see that with academics, we also celebrated the Christmas festival. Then we had this IVF symposium, again very well taken on 15th of February with convener Dr. Mohit Saraugi. Very, very successful program from morning to evening. We had so many seniors, Dr. Nandita Pashetkar, Dr. Rishikesh Pai, and so many seniors who delivered talks, and they were part of panels. And after the Dr. Jatin Shah was also present, and then after the academics we had the entertainment program, in which we had Jimmy Moses, and then a fashion walk for a cause, that is organ donation. Dr. Shilpa, our old AFG member, was also part of it, and with her message, and so many also decided to be the donor, organ donor. And after that we did some cake cutting, and another very, very successful CME was on AFG Finance on 1st of March, and again attended by 119 and 69 recordings. I'm not naming the talks, but they were Dr. Ram sir and many more faculties delivered important talks on the subject of how to invest and save. And so that was all about the CMEs and the physical activities. And we also had 12 journal clubs where that were conducted in various parts of Mumbai this year. And of course, on 10th of December, we had celebrated the birthday of our own president, Dr. Nitin Shah, when there was managing committee meeting at our premises, and cake cutting with celebration was done. I'm just showing the small clip as we celebrated this. Okay, so not 52, but actually after I made this presentation, 5 more were added, 6 more were added. So total, yes, thanks to Dr. Anurag Bhate, the incoming. So now we have 58 new life members who were added to AFG family this year. A big hand to both Dr. Nitin Shah and Dr. Anurag Bhate. So, okay. So this was about the meetings, 10 managing committee meeting, 1 SGM, 1 special managing committee, 3 trust board meetings, and 1 AGM. Charitable activities, as I said, we had donated to orphanage 25,000, and 2 nurses training program we donated 30,000, so total 55,000. So to summarize, as I said, it was a roller coaster ride throughout the year. Physical CM is 20, web CM is 7, 12 general club meetings, 2 live workshops. One was operative, other one was the hysteroscopic operative, 2 nurses training program, and this one is the annual conference. So as we all know, thanks to Dr. Nitin Shah, we could do so many programs in the year. And well, there are no secrets to success. It is a result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. And that's what we do at AFG. And if anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart. And our AFG team did the same this year also. With our heart, we conducted all the programs. And with that, I would just like to say, AFG rocks! Team AFG rocks! Yes. Now, after my report, okay, I'll invite our treasurer for the unaudited accounts for the year 25-26. Your presentation is ready? Yeah? Okay. I'll just close this. Yeah, sorry. I have to go and sit there. I'm secretary. I cannot speak from here. Huh? Okay.
फोकस नहीं हो रही. ये करना है. हाँ, ये करना पड़ेगा. हाँ. Good afternoon to everyone. So, as you all know, that AFG 2025-26 was an absolutely amazing, action-packed year. But whether behind every organization there is finance, whether it is AFG or ISRO, finance is the backbone of each and every organization. So coming to the treasurer report, AFG 2025-26. Coming to income first, we have first the Pharma Educational Grant, that is Innovative Brand Management and Marketing, 30,000. Abbott India, 24,500. Torrent Pharma, 24,500. Okay, okay, sir. Total 26 lakhs 70,340. Then there were others like Krishna Enterprises, Money Tree Reality Services like today. So that was 2,85,678. So total pharma and other income was 29 lakhs 56,018. Then in addition to this, we had fully sponsored AFG programs, and that is the installation and memento by Nivian, first MCM and CME J&J, cervical vaccine CME and Saricon, Igatpuri AFG outreach, Foxy Sampurna CME, Sun AFG outreach and senior felicitation, Sun AFG outreach and Christmas celebration, AFG cap and OT, and all this was worth about 15 lakhs, but it was out and out, so it has not come to our account. The programs are fully sponsored. Then coming to the AFG membership, the time when I made this presentation, there were 53, but now they are all total 58. But this amount has already been transferred to Corpus Fund, that is 3,02,100. Annual members 5,47,500, and NOPEX annual members 1,42,500. In total 9,92,100. Then the conference registration 2025-26 was 6,86,900. So the income was from pharma, AFG membership and the conference registration. The total income was 46,35,018. Bank of Baroda, the FDs in Bank of Baroda, the BOB FD interest was 8,15,557. Saving interest was 1,551. Total 8,17,108. Interest earned from all FDs, that is rupees 8 lakhs minus the TDS, that is 81,556. So the actual net interest what we got was 7,34,001 till 27 March 2026. Bank of Baroda balance is rupees 57,312. So now the total income is rupees 63 lakhs 92,128. Opening balance was 10 lakh 23,109 in HDFC. Income 46 lakhs 35,018, and BOB interest was 7 lakh 34,001. Coming to the expenses, the venue expenses were about 20 lakhs 99,570. AV Power Vision 8 lakh 7,360. Ekta Trophies 2 lakh 75,206. Photographer Pankaj Patel, that is 38,000 for various CMEs. Rabia Sheikh expenses, including the back office administration and the CME management, was total 2,83,807. AFG charitable activities, we had 2 nursing training programs and 1 Mukta Jivan Society, Prem Sadan, that was total 50,000. Miscellaneous expenses like DigiJar, National Anthem, AFG badge and so on, the total was 3,93,904. So total synergy premises expenses, maintenance was 1,34,552, electricity bill was 70,488, property tax MCGM was 1,49,586, common area 1,364, water charges 3,408. So total expenses on premises were 2,59,398. So these are the details of all this, that is the maintenance. Okay. So these are the just a finer print. So expenses totally were 42 lakhs 7,245. So income and expenditure for 2025-26, total income was 63 lakhs 92,128. Total expenditure was 42 lakhs 7,245. So the profit was 21 lakhs 84,882. Balance available at present in HDFC is 8 lakhs 77,454. And that is not all. There are a lot of goodies which are on the way. That is ISOPUB. I think I just spoke to Dr. Raju. COA, MCure, STOS, Zydus, KK Surgicals, Infallible Pharma, and the Abbott 50K. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I take it. Yeah. Okay.
मेरा लैपटॉप यार मैं बुला देती हूँ.
Yes.
So thank you, Dr. Jayanti, for the treasurer report, exhausting treasurer report. We know that you had to do a lot of work. Now, the next agenda is to appoint the auditors for the year 26-27, which, sorry, okay. Dr. Saraugi, sir.
I have few queries. And the queries are in the form of what is the FD today? What is the position of FD today? How much amount of FD is there today? In which all bank FDs are there? You said Bank of Baroda some 51,000 or something. What do you mean by Bank of Baroda 51,000?
So the balance they have given, the bank has
So
given.
we
us
have
a-
only one bank?
Pardon, sir?
We have only one bank?
No, HDFC is 8 lakhs, sir. And in Bank of Baroda, I have said.
Apart from FDs, this is what is the balance.
So did you mention about FDs? You didn't mention about FDs. How much FD do we have?
Total, it is about 1 CR.
So who is going to tell that? That's the most important thing. No, we have one CR FD lying with us.
Yeah.
That's okay, but they have to specify it, no? Friends, I've liked the entire thing. I must congratulate Dr. Nitin Shah for the wonderful year which he has gone through. It was a vibrant year, I can say. Organizing almost 30-35 programs is not a joke. But there are certain pitfalls which I would like to label. And the pitfalls are, I wish you had presented this in our managing committee. Ideally, you are supposed to present everything in managing committee, which was not done. Remember, before you go to AGM, you have to present everything to managing committee. Managing committee has to scrutinize it and then only it can go to AGM. That is first. Nitin, you did so many programs. I know you were running short of time, but what was important for you also was to let the managing committee know that I am organizing this program. The concurrence from everyone should have been taken, which was not done. That's also equally important. There are many small things which I feel should not have been ignored. What is more important is, when we'll come to the election part, I am ashamed to say the attendance of people. Managing committee attendance of our own people is shameful. Shameful, which is not correct. Anyhow, you can proceed, sir.
Thank you, sir. We need internal audit by Dr. Saraugi, sir, as always. Thank you so much for your suggestions, sir. So the next agenda is to appoint the auditors for the year 26-27. So we have this, for so many years we have Mr. Mahendra Joshi. So we continue with the same. Proposed by, एक मिनट मुझे देखने दो. Proposed by Dr. Saraugi. How many years? Mahendra Joshi. मुझे नहीं पता है. So he has been there for more than five.
No, we have changed already.
More than.
We, see, what we do is every time we change, so I think it has been changed 2 years back. We write our wife name or something and we exchange. Yes, so वो सब we have changed. Change the auditor. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. अभी उसमें लगा था. चलो.
So we propose the same auditor this year, proposed by, I'll have to mention, proposed by Dr. Karthik Bhagat and seconded by Dr. Saurabh Dani. So now I invite our outgoing president for the year 2025, Dr. Nitin Shah, for his presidential report.
So thank you. It was a wonderful year and the memories of this are going to last forever. This was my last slide when I was installed as a president. Work in silence, let your success be the noise. So good afternoon to all respected senior members of AFG, IAG, MOGS, my colleague, family and friends. I extend a warm welcome to you this afternoon to the annual general meeting of the year 26-27 and also the installation ceremony of the new office bearer ensuing year 26-27. All of us have witnessed a fruitful year due to our teamwork. AFG has always strived to fulfill the mission of enlightening the practicing gynecologist and aspiring postgraduate student by academic fiesta is offer. Behind every successful man is a woman. And I have two, Lakshmi ji and Saraswati with me. Thank you, Jayanti Kamath madam, for keeping all the minor details of incoming and outgoing. And thank you, Mela madam, for preparing this vast secretary report.
मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे
ये बंधन तो
My Karan Arjun. I think these two men has done a wonderful job throughout the year behind the scene. I request Dhaval Balvi and Saurabh to come on the stage, please. We welcome our chief guest for the day, Dr. Bhaskal Pal, President Foxy. And guest of honor, Dr. Ratna Parki sir. Please come on the stage, Dr. Ratna Parki sir. We are lucky to have a Foxy president. Last year we had a Sunita Tandulwarkar madam and this time we have a Bhaskar Pal sir coming in. Thank you for coming directly from Goa. Flight just landed half an hour back. In spite of busy schedule, sir has tried to make it up. Thank you very much. So big thank you क्यों वापस बुलाएंगे आपको? 2 मिनट इधर ही रुको, जाओ मत, काम है बाकी अभी इधर रुको. A big thank you to our office bearer team. I will not go through all the names, but their contribution is immense. Big thank you to our committee members and my patron, my pride. Thank you, Dr. R.M. Sarogi sir, throughout backing me for all the programs. And this gentleman, Dr. S.N. Agrawal sir. He calls me after each and every program to congratulate. Thank you, sir. Gratitude to our AFG trustees for constantly guiding us, our advisory board, and big thank you to Rabia. Thank you for managing the back office team, managing 58 new members, coordinating with them, taking finer details. It's a big task. Thank you, our audiovisual team. More, he's here since yesterday at 12 a.m. managing this show. So thank you for putting a big show every time. Pankaj, our photographer, thank you very much for capturing each and every moment. And Devak Gandhi, Digitar team, Rahul and Devak, thank you very much for converting all our conferences into lifetime memory by making reels. Thank you to all our faculties, chairperson, all conveners of the program and MOCs. And finally, all our academic partners without whom this program would not have been possible. Thank you, Nopex Healthcare, for creating a wonderful AFG souvenir this year. And we already worked on our working logo this year throughout. We released United We Care and National Anthem. And this is to summarize the entire year 25-26 by we gave more than 25 MMC point. First AFG podcast, which we are going to release soon. 25 more than 20 physical and 7 webinars, dual workshop, hybrid relay, journal club, AFC Youth Council, National Anthem, OT Cap, all things we have done this year. So a year packed of AFG. We have defined our logo as an AFG into academic, fun and finance, and gratitude. And I'll summarize my 365 days in just 3 minute and 43 second video.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I pop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I made my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Father, forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then. And what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
Mama proud and they make their heads ring. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. It's a blessing and a curse. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. I'ma make it work. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. Hit 'em where it hurts.
ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Ladies and gentlemen, you are still not ready for this.
Talk to me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me. I said 23. Talk to me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me. I said 23. Talk to me, numbers never lie, add it up, that's me. I said 23.
So thank you very much for this wonderful memory. Today, 26 AGM, I stand before you humbled by your fate to hand over the baton for this year to my dear friend Anurag Bhate. It's my privilege and honor that he is being installed as a 25th President of Association of Fellow Gynecologists. Stage is your Anurag. After this, wait, AGM get over.
पहले प्रोग्राम करना है उसके बाद ठीक है बैठो
With a warm heart, I invite and thank all of you for being present here at the installation of the new committee. We would love to start this session, as always, by remembering our Pratham Dev, who is Ganpati Devta. We would want to present and start this function with a Ganesh Vandana. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Ronak Jain and group for presenting the Ganesh Vandana to us.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है, परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे
Ganpati Bappa. Mangal Murthy. Thank you so much. May I please invite upon stage Dr. Nitin Shah and Dr. Anurag Bhate for the formal and official medal exchange for the year. Guest of honor, chief guest को end में बुलाऊं? कि पहले बुलाऊं? Can I have Dr. Bela Bhatt on stage, Dr. Jayanti Kamath, Dr. Komal Chavan, Dr. Anurag Bhate, Dr. Nitin Shah. Dr. Bipin Pandit. Can I please invite our guest of honor and our chief guest. Our chief guest for tonight is Dr. Bhaskar Pal, who's our own Foxy president, an eminent gynecologist who needs no introduction. It's such a pleasure to have you, sir. And our chief guest for today is Dr. Ratna Parkhi. He's the director at Guru Krupa Heart Institute. He has the record of maximum angioplasties in Mumbai, appointed as the BJP Doctor Cell Head in Mumbai, scientific chairman, Andheri Medical Association. I would also like to welcome Dr. Sudha Tandon, who's the IH president, and also my cutest teacher, Dr. Amay Purandure, who's the president of AMOGS. Thank you so much. Can I now request our very own stalwart, Dr. Saraugi, to help us with... Bolu, thoda sa. To help us with our election results. Actually, दर्शकों आपकी तालियां कम पड़ रही है, इसलिए ये ढोल बजा रहे हैं. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sargam. Now we have a result of all the elections which we had. Dr. Arun Nayak has been appointed as a member managing committee, managing board trust board. Then Dr. Mukesh Gupta is another member who has been appointed as a member of trust board. We have President-elect as Dr. Niranjan Chauhan. We have Vice President as Dr. Bela Bhatt. We have Treasurer as Komal Chauhan. Joint Secretary Navneet Desai. Joint Treasurer Dr. Bipin Chekar, Scientific Secretary Dr. Ujjwala Netam, Premises Secretary Dr. Ashok Shukla, friends, Managing Committee members who have got elected unopposed are Dr. Ashlesh Sankhe, Dr. Ashwini Kalyankar, Dr. Mrudula Sarda, Dr. Mukesh Agarwal, Dr. Namrata Sherekar, Dr. Riddhi Desai, Dr. Rupali Dharwadkar, Dr. Saurabh Sureka and Dr. Vidya Bandukwala. We had nomination of almost 14 people, out of which only 8 could be selected. 9 could be selected because of lack of attendance. So 5 were rejected because of lack of attendance. We have full liberty to choose 1 member from the floor of the house. Who is interested in becoming a managing committee member, please? Please raise your hand. Okay, Ankesh is there and Sargam is there. Now we'll have election on that then.
For what? Not eligible.
Or if you both can decide, then we can have one as a co-opted member, other one can be elected. Ankesh ko le le. So Ankesh is the elected member from the floor of the house. Welcome, Ankesh. My only request is, we know that ultimate aim is to go to Foxy or maybe IAGE. It doesn't mean that you should leave your parent institute and don't attend the programs. My request to you all is, please keep attending the programs. That's a must. Second suggestion to you all will be, particularly the secretary, Komal, this is for you. What is more important is, Jayanti will be the secretary. Okay, Jayanti for you. And for treasurer also there will be. Don't worry. Jayanti, what is happening is, whatever programs we are having, we are not getting official invitation through the secretary. The official invitation has to go through the secretary. Please. No. It has to be from General Secretary, not scientific. Even if it is from Scientific Secretary, how many of you have received this? None. This will not be tolerated this year. I am making it very clear to you all. Please stick to the protocol and stick to the rules and regulations of AFG board. Thank you. I am thankful to Dr. Saurabh Dani, who has been very helpful in helping me to become election commissioner.
Sure, thank you everyone.
So good afternoon. That's a very good afternoon. We have, first of all, I'll welcome all AFG members, delegates, seniors and colleagues for this installation ceremony. Thank you, Nitin, for handing over the presidency effectively. So, I am blessed today to give my presidential talk in presence of all past presidents of AFG. We have President IAG here and Foxy President, plus our guest of honor, Dr. Ratna Parki, Guru Kripa Heart Foundation Director. We have AMOX President, Dr. Amay Purandre here, and all stalwarts sitting here. It's a great pleasure. I am humbled to be 25th President of this association. Now, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is success. This is what we have been working for over the years for our Association of Fellow Gynecologists. This is when I was installed as a secretary under Dr. Nilima Masurkar and Niranjan sir as our treasurer. The path is always difficult for any association. So today, where we are is a salute to our mentors who have nurtured and guided us. we have reached, this association had reached a point where people have dedicated years and years for this association. We are seeing the day, what we are seeing today is only because of our seniors, mentors, and all past president teachers. And I salute today to all my previous past presidents, from Dr. Amita Suchak, Dr. Kothari, Dr. Datar is there, Nikhil sir is there, Arun Apte sir, Dr. Sarogi sir, the Bhishma Pitama for association, Dr. Sudhir Nayak, Dr. S.N. Agarwal sir is there, Dr. Rakesh Pandya, our managing trustee Dr. Bipin Pandit, Dr. Unnati Shah madam. I joined AFG under when Unnati madam was the president. We used to do meetings in that Suchak hospital, I think everybody can remember. After that, during Dr. Nagarkanti's tenure, we bought AFG office. Then Dr. Karti Bhagat, Dr. Mukesh Gupta. Mukesh is there? Yeah. So most important, no, I would like to narrate an incident when we used to have that live operative workshop at relate to Patel Hall. And Mukesh was president. And I was very actively working. Mukesh must not remember what I'm going to say. He said, "नया अच्छा लड़का मिला है हमें AFG के लिए, मुझे वो spark दिखता है." So probably he just said, but it imbibed in my heart. So thank you, Mukesh. Then Dr. Arun Nayak sir, Dr. Mohan Gadam sir, Seema Gadiwan madam. Anything in Constitution if you want to know, she is our encyclopedia. So any problem we have, we call up Seema madam. She is there, yes. And she has all answers. You will have to do this by the Constitution. Dr. Nagarkatti sir, he is going to get installed as AMC president today, so he is busy there. Dr. Motwani sir is there. Saurabh, Dr. Rakesh Pandya. Again, I am thanking Dr. Rakesh Pandya sir because he has twice been the president of this association. Dr. Urmila madam, Dr. Raju Saitya sir, I am really thankful to him because under his presidency, I was the treasurer and Nitin was the secretary. Then Dr. Nilima madam, under whose presidency I was the secretary, and Dr. Rajkumar Shah. So I really salute to all our teachers, mentors, who have made this association what it is today. Now, you don't have to guess Jay and Viru of AFG. So we are here, both of us. This is when we went to Kiel. This is in 2007. From that day, we are together. And our friendship had just grown. The only reason why we are friends, because what he says I don't listen and what I say he doesn't listen. This is when we went to the Ayodhya Shilanyas, just after the Shilanyas. I and Nitin both were there. This is last our AFG con when Nitin was the president, and this is now he's handing me the, so sorry I had to immediately write past president and president. But this is how it is. Immediately when you shift, you shift. Now coming to our team, the dynamic president-elect, Dr. Niranjan Chauhan, is on his way from Goa. Our vice president, Dr. Bela Bhatt, is there. Our new team, my secretary, Dr. Jayanti Kamath madam, our honorary treasurer, Dr. Komal Chauhan madam, joint secretary, Dr. Navneet Desai, joint treasurer, Dr. Vipin Chakkar, scientific secretary, Dr. Ujjwala Netam, and premises secretary, Dr. Ashok Shukla. This is our team. Coming to the managing committee members, we are surrounded by all girls. So we have Dr. Vidya Bandukwala, Dr. Namrata Sheregar, Dr. Riddhi Desai, Dr. Midula Sada, Dr. Ashwini Kalyankar, Dr. Rupali Dharwarkar, and Dr. Ashlesha Sanke. These are all female brigade in the managing committee. So we have to manage them with two boys, the senior most Dr. Mukesh Agarwal and the junior most Saurabh Sureka, because they can only handle. I have given the task to them. No, I am not going to handle you all. So this year to be the theme, we will have academic achievements, futuristic vision, and great teamwork. The most important of an association is to give. It's not to take. It's a teamwork. So whatever the team performs, the leader has, it's the leadership, it's the team which performs. We have already planned the year very nicely. Our first conference is on the 19th of April. It is endometriosis, Enigma Unplugged. We already have the panels, discussion, speakers, everything decided. It's on 19th April. Our next program, this is a very beautiful program on critical management in obstetrics and gynec with the Anesthesia Association. We will have new ideas where basic problem lies when the patient becomes critical. So anesthetist point of view and a surgeon point of view, that will be a good program which is planned in May. In June, we have operative workshop on fetal medicines. Dr. Raju Sahitya has already agreed to do that operative drill workshop with the mannequins. Bela is there. So we'll manage. This program is in June. In the month of July, we plan a monsoon outgoing CME that we are already talks with some companies. So we'll be having a monsoon outbound CME. In August, we'll be doing medico-legal. This is again our flagship program. So medico-legal issues, recent updates, what should be done, what should not be done. This is our program which we planned in September. Then thanks to Dr. Mukesh, with Malad Medical Association, we are planning one conference, Gynecon, which should be scheduled somewhere during October and November. Again, this is our most flagship program, an operative workshop, live operative workshop we'll be doing in November, this November, end of November or early December, most probably in November. No, sir, that is the 19th operative workshop. We'll change it. Yes. Then the obstetrical drill workshop, second and third stage of labor. Again, last time ka flyer hi dal diya, sir. So obstetric drill workshop, second or third stage of labor. This is again a good program. We will be doing obstetric drills. After this, a CME of ART is planned in February 2027. Then I'll take liberty with Nitin to prior announce that he has been going to do one more finance program for AFG. I know he'll agree, मैं बाद में मना लूँगा. And then our annual conference in March 2027. So we have an array of programs planned month-wise. Apart from this, we are going to do a walkathon with Guru Kripa Heart Foundation, which already Dr. Ratna Parki has yesterday in our discussion agreed. And there is a very, very beautiful program done by Guru Kripa Heart Foundation, which is called as Diwai Pahat. So it is a Rangoli competition, dance and music competition. So he has already agreed AFG will be part of the Diwai Pahat. And charitable activities, which is done by Guru Kripa Heart Foundation. Huge charitable activities. They have 13 schools they have adopted, and they have distributed stationery, books, and needed materials to more than 3,500 children. So Guru Kripa Heart Foundation has agreed we will be doing charitable activities with them this year. Again, our flagship charitable program, Nurses Training Program, Dr. S.N. Agarwal sir is there. Thank you, sir. And he has agreed AFG will be part of Nurses Training Program over the years, whatever program he has planned. Coming to our main program, RAN Symposium. This is a unique teaching program which is like our baby. And we are again reviving everything in RAN Symposium. Our all stalwarts faculty from Dr. Sarogi sir, Motwani sir, Rajkumar sir, Gadam sir, Karthik sir will be there. And a new faculty we are introducing, Dr. Jignesh Kansaria sir is there. Jignesh sir, yeah, he's there. So he will be joining as a faculty in RAN Symposium to impart his views. And everything will be coordinated by Dr. Vidya. She is going to be the RAN coordinator, so I'm out of it. She will be handling and managing all the RAN Symposiums. So thank you, Vidya, for that. Apart from this, we are having Journal Club, webinar, CME with Mira Bhayandar Society. And to achieve all this, we work unitedly as a team. And everything, all this can only be achieved since it is very difficult. Whole year, it is like a busy year. This is my lifeline, my backbone, my family. Meghna is there, my kids are there. My Ai Baba are there today watching me getting installed as the president. So thank you. And again, one more year, I'll excuse, Meghna is there, yeah. So one more year. Then this association is very close to my heart, Andheri Medical Association. And today, all our members, office bearers are there supporting me as my president. This has been, I have been the past president of Andheri Medical, and it is very close to my heart. We have been working for years for this association, and every member is so hardworking, dedicated. So thank you, Andheri Medical Association, for coming today and making today what I am. Yeah, these are my friends, well-wishers from my Amboli gang. They are all sitting behind. They have always guided me what to do. And thank you, sir, for being here. This is our hospital staff. When we have been roaming around here, they have been working and managing patients. So thank you for my hospital staff, whosoever I think they were supposed to come. So I was chosen to lead due to my warm personality. I looked up warm, and it means not so hot. So there's a very good story. For the strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack. This was said by Rudyard Kipling. This is a photo of wolf. An association is like a wolf. Why I put this photo? It is a very resemblance to an association. The eldest, the wisest, and the senior wolves, they walk first, so that any problem comes, they can make an alarming sound and the entire pack gets, So the same association also, the wisest and the seniors always guide us. Next come the younger generations who are stronger, who are learning. Then the newer ones who are joined, or the weaker ones who are learning how the association works. And then the strongest are in the end. And the last person who is walking is the leader. So this is how association works. The team is always in up front. The leader always remains behind. And this is what Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad said. A leader is one who gives credit to his team on success and takes the blame on failure. And I think after this year, this is the only thing I'll be left to do. So, meditating. So thank you everybody. Thank you. We'll have a rocking year. Ganpati Bappa! So, thank you everybody. Now I'll like our chief guest, Dr. Bhaskar Pal, to say a few words.
Thank you for inviting me. I'll make it short, very short rather. Congratulations, Nitin, on a wonderful year. And I'm sorry I narrowly missed your installation last time. And congratulations, Anurag, on getting installed as the president of this vibrant organization of AFG. And I'm sure that you will take it to greater heights. Always a pleasure coming to AFG, a very, very vibrant organization. I always felt that. Today I realized that behind that vibrancy, there is somebody sitting with a stick. Sarogi sir, where are you? I did not know this bit about the AFG. So every time you learn something. So he's rebuked, he's threatened, and I'm sure that the love will come after that. So we always know you as a very loving, affectionate person. But I think that you are the discipline keeper of AFG. So keep up the good work, and I think it's great to see. Yesterday and day before we were in Goa and we did something for the first time in Foxy, that we took the entire leadership there and said you can't bring your partner, and it's serious business, deliberating about the current and the future of the organization with a 10-year vision. And one of the concerns that came up is in the newer generation, people do not like to join organizations. We joined organizations so that people would get to know us, we will get to know people. Now youngsters say, I've got 1 million followers on Instagram, I don't need Foxy, I don't need AFG. So it's up to us. We need to think what we can do to make an organization attractive to them, otherwise organizations will not survive. And I do not want that Foxy or AFG will become an old age home one day. If we have to stay vibrant, we have to stay relevant, we have to change ourselves to do that. And I think all of us in different organizations have to deliberate that how we surmount this challenge. Thank you very much for having me, and keep on rocking as usual, the whole team.
We'll be felicitating, sir. Now I'll be inviting our guest of honor, Dr. Ratna Parki. He is a director, Guru Kripa Heart Foundation. He is a नहीं मैं पहले he is an eminent cardiologist. Maximum number of angioplasties in Mumbai are done by Dr. G.P. Ratnaparkhi. He is running 4 cath labs, and most importantly, he is appointed this month as BJP cell head of all doctors in Mumbai. So anything go get by, sir is there. He is Guru Kripa Heart Foundation runs charitable works, lot of charitable works. So at Palghar they are adopted 13 schools and a lot of distribution of stationaries and goods to school children. So I welcome Dr. Ratnaparkhi sir to say a few words.
Good evening. I am odd man out here. Anyway, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Thank you, Anurag, for saying good about the cardiologist. Nowadays, nobody speaks good about the cardiologist. That is because of the damaged deal and increased bills. Why to go ahead? Rather, I remember one story. There was a function. Some MLA's function was there, myself and my brother was attending that. So that MLA knows me. He doesn't know my brother. So he asked, gentleman, you're also cardiologist? My brother says, no, I'm a gentleman. So speaking good about the cardiologist, thank you very much, Anurag. I'm quite nervous today because after almost 35 years, I am giving lecture or giving sort of conversation with the gynecologist. I remember in 91 when I was lecturer in medicine, that time I had taken a class of 30-35 gynecologists and I taught them heart failure in the pregnancy. So after that 35 years, I am speaking in front of the gynec crowd. So naturally, I am quite nervous. Anyway, Anurag, congratulations. And you will definitely do well because I am observing Anurag last more than 20 years. I am sort of a patron of Andheri Medical Association, and he was one of the president, the most dynamic and active president of Andheri Medical Association, the association which is very close to him also, for me also. Because this Andheri Medical Association, Parla Medical, Yogeshwar, this area has given strength and patience and all the support to us. Anurag, I think it's true. Okay, and he has a knack of connecting the people, gathering the people and giving a feel of a family. So, sabka saath, sabka vishwas and sabka vikas. So, I am not giving political speech. I am today here as a cardiologist, not as a BJP president. So he has that knack of connecting the people and binding as a family. And he will definitely do best in this year. Nitin has done the best. I have gone through his presentation. Nitin and his team has done the best thing. For Nitin and his team, यूं ना थक के बैठो आप कि आपकी उड़ान अभी बाकी है. यूं ना थक के बैठो आप कि आपकी उड़ान अभी बाकी है. चंद मुट्ठी जमीन खत्म हुई है, सारा आसमान बाकी है. When team is like that, Anurag, you don't have any problem. You have already nice presentation of your next programs. Definitely, you will fulfill all your dreams. वैसे भी सपनों में कहाँ जान होती है, इरादों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता है, हौसले से उड़ान होती है. और you all are with him. He will definitely do well. He has mentioned 3 or 4 programs, charitable programs, under the banner of Guru Kripa Heart Foundation. Our foundation is doing lots of things. Academic wise, we plan every day almost every year we plan a conference known as Cardiocon, where it is attended by more than 1,200 doctors. And every 6 months we have PTCA, means Puncture to Closure Academy. PTC, angioplasty, okay. So in almost all the PTC academia, we gathered more than 250 cardiologists. And social work point of view, I have one ambulance station in the Cooper Hospital, giving free service to all the people. We adopted more than 13 tribal schools from the area of Mokhada, Jawar, Vikramgarh, where more than 3,500 students are given everything, books, daftar, school bags, notebook, guides for females, sanitary napkins, blankets, chappals, all this. What is required to them, we give that. So this Gurukulam Heart Foundation is always with you, Anurag. Two program, what he mentioned, Diwali part is for doctors only. So you can be a part of that program. And secondly, walkathon, which is a part of Gurukulam Heart Foundation, health awareness, followed by, is generally done on the hypertension week. So ask anything about the hypertension to the consultant, that program is there. So anything you require further, we are always there. I am always there with you. And thank you for calling me here and feliciting me. Thank you very much. Thank you.
पहले मैनेजिंग कमेटी बुलाते हैं फिर आता होते हमने प्लान नहीं किया. We just have to felicitate some dignitaries and then we'll calling our entire team on the stage. So, Komal Madam, yeah.
So now we felicitate AMOX President, Dr. Amay Purandare. So everybody please join. Yeah, so I need Saurabh and two managing committee members just to help at the backstage. So, Saurabh, Ujjwala. Yeah. Now, yeah, please. Amay, please.
With Anurag's permission, I am saying this. The year is 2002. Salman Khan arrives from Indore.
Oh, I got it. In Dabang style.
In Dabang style.
In Dabang style, that is my language.
For the first obstetric emergency in Wadia labor ward. Salman Khan is Dr. Anurag Bhate. That was around 25 years ago. And today, 25 years after that, I'm very proud that my first poster in Wadia Hospital is becoming president of AFG. Very soon, he changed from being Salman Khan to Shah Rukh Khan. Okay? Sargam called me cute. I think she wants my vote. But more than that, there was one cute person across the road. When Anurag was missing from the labor ward, he used to be in KEM labor ward. Jignesh sir will agree the unit was SVP and the cute person was Dr. Meghna. So somebody asked me on the flight, Sunday afternoon you don't want to take rest, you want to go for AFG as guest? I said, it's not guest, it's my family function. For two reasons, Shah Rukh Khan and more importantly, Akshay Kumar. My other student from the Shah gang, they were 5, 6, 7, how many, Nikhil? Nitin? 7. Okay. All my students from KEM, and I'm very proud what Nitin has achieved. Nitin, congratulations. All the multifaceted things that you are doing truly show your potential. I think both these fellows, I would say now presidents of AFG, are icons for the next generation. Dr. Bhaskar said, we have to show the next generation the correct path, and I think both of them, by what they are achieved and what they will achieve, both as doctors, both of them are the best of surgeons, but more importantly, the best of leaders. So indeed, we are very proud and keep up the good work, and AMOGS is always there to cooperate with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Amay. And now I call upon Dr. Prakash Trivedi, past president of Foxy, to come up. And we are very happy to have your presence among us. Now I call upon Dr. Sudha Tandon, the current president of IAG. Please come and accept our felicitation. Come.
I'm indeed very happy to be here with and very happy to know that Anurag, our dear friend, has become the president of AFG. Congratulations. I know what Dr. Nitin did last year, and I'm really very happy. There's lots to learn for the organization and as a president from both of you. And last year I was installed, last Saturday, last week, I was installed as the IAGE president. And just to mention few things about IAG, because it's not all that popular, not all that well known as compared to maybe Foxy. So we are a strength of now 5,500, and it's still growing. We have a lot of young people in this organization who are endoscopic surgeons. And it's a very, very vibrant society. You must go to the website and look at all the training programs which we are offering, right from basic, the cadaver, and the advanced training, which I've started in this year from my tenure, is the Empower program, where you can get hands-on training in operative laparoscopy from the experts in their OR. So in case you're keen, you can contact me, or in case you wish to know more, just visit the website of IAG. Thank you very much.
अनुराग, मेरे पास थोड़ा समय बाकी है. Before you call and invite your team, I will like to felicitate our trustees. I invite our trustees on the stage, and I request to hand over our mementos, please. Bipin sir, Seema madam, Mukesh sir. I invite all AFG trustees to be on the dais. I call upon Rabia to stay near the stage, More, Pankaj bhai and Devak. Yeah. Rabia More, please come on the stage, and photographer Pankaj bhai.
AMC. Yeah. So I welcome AMC President Dr. Agarwal. Please come here.
I'll request Dr. Rajiv to come and say a few words.
Good evening, friends. आप सबका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा मैं. I am Dr. Rajiv Agarwal, President Association of Medical Consultants Mumbai, and we are very proud to announce that Indian Medical Association Maharashtra State has nominated 9 people, official 9 people for contesting for the Maharashtra Medical Council elections. Fortunately, we have 2 gynecologists among us. One is Dr. Vaijanti Patwardhan from Pune. She is currently, I suppose, the Vice President of Pune Obstetric and Gynec, and Dr. Umesh Marathe from Nasik. I look forward for support from each gynec. आपको सिर्फ एक गायनेक को सपोर्ट नहीं करना है, आपको आपके पीडियाट्रिशियन को बोलना है, आपके एनेस्थेटिस्ट को बोलना है, आपके यहाँ पे नितिन शाह जैसे लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जन आते होंगे, अनुराग जैसे आते होंगे, उनको बोलना है, और जो भी दूसरे सर्जन हैं, each one if you are able to motivate at least 10 people, I think so our work will be done, and we assure you a clean, decentralized and digital MMC. आप सब अभी कभी भी MMC में वर्किंग आवर्स में फ़ोन करेंगे, इमीडिएटली आपको क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे सब चीज़ आपके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होंगे. वी अश्योर यू अ गुड गवर्नेंस. वी ऑफिशियली रिप्रेजेंट द 9 officially nominated people from Indian Medical Association Maharashtra State after due diligence and selection process. So I appeal to each one of you with folded hands, please vote for all of us. We have with us Dr. Parthiv Sanghvi, who is a general and laparoscopic surgeon from Andheri. We have Dr. Sanjay Deshmukh, he is a radiologist from Pandharpur. He is also the member of the legal committee for Maharashtra State PCPNDT. तो आपको कभी भी PCPNDT में कुछ legal problem होएगा, he is just a phone call away. He has around 12 radiologist diagnostic centers in different districts in Maharashtra. We have Dr. Vasant Lunge, who is the professor and head community medicine at PMC Medical College in Amravati. Also the National Joint Secretary of Indian Medical Association. We have other members also. One is Dr. Prashant Rahate, who is a laparoscopic surgeon from Nagpur. We have Dr. Ujwala Daifale, a general plastic surgeon from Aurangabad. And we have Dr. Vaijanti Patwaran बोल दिया मैंने. एक जन बचा कोई. एक जन कोई बचा. हाँ, Dr. Umesh Marathi, I have already spoken. So these are the 9 people. हम सब के flyers आपके group में आ जाएंगे through Mukesh and others. I appeal once again for us to vote. Thank you.
I like to call upon my entire team, managing committee members who are elected now. Navneet, Dr. Ashwini, Dr. Rupali, please be on the stage. Dr. Vidya, Dr. Ashlesha. Sorry if I missed any name from the team. Niranjan sir, Komal sir, everybody is there. You can call the students and we'll just take it. We will have a group photo with the entire team. Mukesh sir is there, Saurabh is there. Please everybody come on the stage.
Meanwhile, team is gathering on the stage. We would like to announce the prizes for our free papers today.
So the 4th prize in the free papers goes to Dr. Kanchan Gehani. Where is Dr. Kanchan? Yes, congratulations. Big hands to all the students who made all the effort to present the papers right 7 o'clock in the morning. Congratulations. 3rd prize goes to Dr. Tanvi Shah. Dr. Tanvi Shah. Dr. Tanvi Shah. 2nd prize goes to Dr. Pratik Naik. Dr. Pratik Naik. Is he there? Dr. Pratik? Are you there? Oh, Sudhi sir. You can take on behalf of Dr. Pratik Naik. Sudhi sir is there? Ah. And the first prize goes to Dr. Aishwarya Nichani. Where is Dr. Aishwarya? Congratulations, Dr. Nichani. And Aishwarya Nichani.
थोड़े क्लोज फोटो के लिए
नितिन सर आओ बच्चे अरे पैनिंग मार सर आगे जाओ मैडम आगड़ा पैनिंग मार सर आप बुला रहे जब तक आप लोग प्रेसिडेंट रेडी सर इधर सामने सर इधर या रेडी Excuse me. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Number 21. 127. 011. 011. 11. 79. Wow, Acharya, you're quite lucky today.
सर ये
98. 30. 3020 मैडम आपका नंबर आया 21 79
चलो नेक्स्ट